What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a great gift for a golfer, I've got a great little suggestion. This here is a set that has a lot of really cool things in it, so let's open it up and see what you get. The thing about this kit is that you can pick the color scheme you want. They have blue, they have green, and they have red. Nice little divot tool. It is spring loaded, so all you have to do is just press the little button right there and it flips open. Nice and convenient. I like that. Now to close it, you're gonna have to push the little button again. So you've got that. You also get a 3-pack of these really nice microfiber towels, so you can clean your clubs, you can clean your ball. And as I said, they come in themed colors. This one here is the blue, black, and gray. They also have it in green and in red. They are really nice, thick stitching on the outside, and of course they have carabiner, so you can clip them onto your bag for easy access. You also get a really nice brush, 2-sided, one side wire, one side soft or bristles. Want to keep the pointy thing covered for sure. This will help you to keep your balls and your clubs in good shape. Now, another cool thing about this is the tool is connected to this little carabiner with leash, if you will, so that you can always have this clipped to the outside of your bag, pull it out really nice and easy. You don't have to worry about losing it or it getting trapped at the bottom of your bag. Now, the line on this carabiner is 2 feet, so you do have a little bit of play with this. You're not going to be stuck with something super short. A brush like this is definitely a quick and efficient way to keep your irons clean on the fairway. The sharp pointy thing, aka the spike, is good for getting out all the stuff that builds up inside the cleats of your golf shoes, that sort of a thing, or the ridges on your golf clubs. So if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for your favorite golfer, you can pick the color that they like. You can get these really cool, handy little tools, jumbo microfiber towels on carabiners to keep their clubs clean, their balls clean, and their shoes clean too. Definitely, this will be a family favorite at my house.